Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you're doing well. If you haven't noticed, I cut my hair. In my last video, I kind of didn't really mention it. It was about like the root chakra. I did start a chakra series on my channel, so I was planning on doing the second chakra, but I do have, remember the construction that I always talk about? It's still going on. So I'm unable to really sit down and talk to you because the construction, like you can clearly hear it, even though I have like all the things so you can't hear any background noise, but you still hear it. So welcome to another vlog. I decided to vlog because at least I can, put music over the B-roll so you don't get to hear anything. So yes, welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. And I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, be a part of this family, this community, and also hit that thumbs up button to let me know how you like my videos. That just helps me keep track of what you guys like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video, which is every Sunday. And yeah, I have some footage that I'm going to show you. Me and Travis went apple picking, which was so much fun. So I'm going to insert the B-roll right now. So yes, we went apple picking like probably a couple weeks ago. Literally are almost done with all the apples. I love apples so much. They're so good. So yeah, I'm glad I filmed that because now I can create this vlog. But other than that, oh, I want to show you, so exciting news. I am enrolled in a herbalist course. I'm really excited because I really want to learn how to really utilize plant medicine. And I'm really excited for this course because she's going to teach us like everything hands-on. It is through Zoom, but you're going to get homework and she like kind of works one-on-one with you. So I'm really excited about that. And it's a small business, so I really wanted to support that. I'm really excited. I actually got 2 of her products. I got one of her butters, like body butters, and then I have one of her bath like soaps. So first of all, the body butter, like I'm just feeling my skin now. Like it's nice because it's not heavy. You know how some body butters are really heavy? This one's not heavy at all. And it's still really moisturizing. Like I still see my skin glistening, which is really nice. So I'll definitely link her down below so you can check her out. And yeah, I'm really, really excited for that. So the announcement, I officially started my business. I'm really excited. Like, meaning when I say that, because I do a lot of services and a lot of offerings for you guys. So with this business, it's called Moonlight Guidance. So I would really appreciate it if you follow me over on Instagram. I'll link both of my Instagrams down below for you. But this one, I'm going to be creating a bunch of things. Like definitely oils is going to be one of my things because I honestly, when the pandemic started, I was really looking into creating oils because, we were staying at home not doing anything, but I didn't really, I was more into like yoga and all that stuff first. So now that I'm done with that, not done with it, but now that I've learned it and, got my certification and everything, I really want to have that push of pushing my business. And the funny thing is I actually chose Moonlight Guidance like months ago. And I was like, okay, let me just get the Instagram started. So, I'm ready to start the business. And I was talking to someone and she was just like, yeah, if there's something that you wanted to do, definitely start like to do it because, with what is going on astrologically, like this is the perfect time to do it. So I was like, you know what? That's a sign that I need to start this business. So I'm going to show you. I'm sorry that I didn't get to show you like me actually creating it because it was kind of like a last minute thing. I was like, you know what? Get up. We need to really organize everything so you can see it and you're reminded every single day to do this. And I'm just excited every time I look over at this area. I'm just like, I'm so excited to create. So I'm definitely going to have oils. I definitely want to also make some calm down. I also want to make some body butters as well. I do have some other like ideas in my head. I also want to do some sprays too. So stay tuned for that. Follow the Instagram. I'm actually making stuff for my friends now so they can try it out and I get their feedback on it and yada, 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 all that stuff. So yeah, today we're going to be organizing a little bit more because I just got some more herbs. So we're going to be putting those into jars. And then I'm going to be making some oil. I was going to pull my fall stuff out, but to be honest, I just came back from the event and I'm really tired. I just showered and like relaxed. So, yeah, the event was really nice too. I'll insert some clips here because I did film a little bit on my phone, so the quality is not great. But I did want to show you guys a little bit. And then there was a sound bath, which was really nice. I really love this shop because it's a Black owned shop and it's just nice to support your local businesses. And they have literally everything holistic there. They have crystals, they have everything. I'm going to show you all the stuff that I got as well. And some of the vendors there, like there's this one food vendor. Oh my God. Literally, she was just giving me samples of things. Of course, I bought stuff from her, but she was just so cool and down to earth. She's like, here, try this. And like, every time I ate something, like I did a dance. I was so freaking happy. She's so talented. I'll also link her down below. And yeah, definitely check her out because she was just so bomb. But yeah, enough of me talking. I am going to show you what I got. Let's show you what I got from the event first. And then I will do the herbs and like I'll show you that stuff. And then I'll make the herbs and then that's it for this vlog. I hope it's not too boring. Like I said, it kind of like I had to kind of shift this week because I really, last week, as you know, I didn't post a video because I was working on my business and all of that stuff. So I kind of lost track of time. So this week I wanted to sit down and do the Sacral Chakra since I wanted to do it every week. Since whenever I start a series, I am very chatty. Oh my God. Whenever I start a series, I try to keep up with the series, like back-to-back videos, like, and not like, the series and a different video, just so it makes like sense. But like I said, I had to shift. They're not here right now, but I have to be in the mental space to actually film this video, and I'm filming this on Saturday, and if I film it tonight, then I'll probably be up all night because that video actually takes a really long time to do. So that being said, let me shush and let's go check out my little herbal station. All right, so it's really messy because, like I said, I just got some herbs. But this is my little herbalist section. I love it. So I moved, our TV was here, and I moved the TV over there. It's covered right now because the radiation from the TV is right in front of me and I feel it, so I just cover it for now, and it's not being used. I'm trying to convince Travis to get this TV out of here. I'll keep you updated on that. But let me move the chair out of the way so you can see everything. Yes, so I have everything in glass jars. I'm actually going to be using this now, so that's why that's out. And I have everything under here. I also have stuff under here. I have tarot cards, and then I have more herbs here. So yeah. And then all of my candles, and then I have some organization, my incense. Oh, I love this thing. And these are all my crystals. Oh, okay, so I got this today. Look at this freaking Pikachu, man. I think it's a jade, like a yellow jade or a calcite. I'm not 100% sure, but it was free. So I was like, I definitely need this little guy. I need my little Pikachu here. And then, of course, I got this little weed crystal. I think it's green aventurine. I'm not sure. But, you know, free is free. So got that. And then, of course, I got this evil eye to protect me. And, yeah, let me see what else I got. I got these little crystals that I'm going to be putting in jars. So this is amethyst. This is a little amethyst chips. So I'm going to put that in one of the jars. So these are all the herbs that I got as well. I'm not a huge fan of these little plastic bags. I wish I can just bring the jar and they can fill it up that way. But they do separate it this way, which is fine. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, I just got all these herbs. Some of them I needed for specific things. Others I just kind of got just to have. But I'm definitely, like, certain things like lavender, I'm probably going to have to buy a big bulk of because I'm probably going to be using this a lot. And yeah, oh my God, this is what I got from the chef thing. I don't know if you could tell, but it's a brownie. It's like melted because it was hot, but yo, her stuff was so good. Like I said, I'll link her down below. I also got these cards. I didn't get this at the event, but I did order these. So this is a herbal deck. So it just talks about the herbs and then it has like recipes on the back. So I definitely want to keep this on my little section here. So whenever I'm looking through something, I can just, you know, have the card out. And then I got these little stickers. This one's for my dad. And then I got a couple, like she had like, you know, Jack, Halloween stuff. So those are free as well. This was a butter that she gave me. Ugh, so good. And then I got more amethyst. I actually saw this one first before I saw this little guy. So, I mean, whatever. This is good to have anyway. And that's all that I got. Ignore my room. It's like completely messy and Benji's sleeping, so I can't really make the bed. But yeah, that's all that I got. So right now we're going to, let me flip you around. So right now we're going to put all of these into these jars. Some of them I'm not going to put into the bigger ones because, you know, like chamomile I'm probably going to use a lot. So I'm going to put that in a bigger one. Some I'm going to put in smaller jars. And dude, I keep these from like, you know, supplements that I take. These are from pasta jars. Like I try to keep everything, you know what I mean? And I've been collecting these for a really long time for this specific purpose. So yeah, I'm going to sit down. I'm going to do this. I'm going to roll the B-roll and you're going to see it nice and clean because right now it looks crazy. hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too boring because I didn't really do anything. But like I said, I didn't really have anything planned. But I wanted to make sure to get a video up for you guys since there wasn't one last Sunday. So yeah, I just finished making the oils. I'm actually letting them charge in the Moonlight, and I'm going to also do the Sunlight. And from my understanding, I'm still new to all this, it just helps the herbs absorb the oils. So, you know, it like is more potent. So the longer you leave it, the more potent it gets through the sun. So I think I'm going to leave it for about a week or two, maybe 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I made one for my friend. She gets really frequent headaches. So I made sure to put amethyst in there. And then once it's done with the sun, I'm going to Reiki charge it. But yeah, I made sure to put amethyst in there, peppermint, frankincense, lavender, just to help her, you know, just putting it on her temples or wherever she gets her headache, wherever she feels it. And then the other one, my friend really likes lavender as well. So I made her just like a lavender one. So yeah, I want to make a few more. I really like the roll-on oils to start off with first, and then I can make like the, you know, the dropper oils. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my little setup and then watching me make, I did try to make a video of me doing all of that as you saw on Instagram, but for some reason my camera, like it's not crisp, you know? So I'm going to make another one with my camera instead of my phone this time. And I feel like I want to make like a better, like I like this area. I just want to make like a better setup for like filming. So it's not just like a plain background. Like if you see, like you see when I was filming, like this is just bare right here. So I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of that. So we're going to have to figure that out. But yes, again, sorry, my room is a mess. I have no excuse now because there's no cats on it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate any support that you can offer me, and I would love for you to stick around and be a part of my community and my family. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you know whenever I post, which is every single Sunday. I hope you enjoy your nights, your day, whenever you are watching this. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you.